In tutorial 3, we're going to address and do an evaluation for G2. You'll see that each of the goals is numbered and they're going round in sequence here. And what we're going to do is look at G2, the title of which is Skills and Application Experience. If I click on the plus, you will see that the branch is expanded. So when this was designed, my line manager or your line manager, when this was designed, your line manager felt that skill and application experience was made up of contract drawings signed off, wide variety of projects, and checking iterations to complete. Click on here to complete accuracy. Okay. What do we have to do here? Well, first of all, there are a number of components. I'm going to increase the display and apply it, and then move the screen so that we're able to look at these in more detail. If I open up this element, this enables me to actually add comments to my goal, and I can list the number of projects. I'm just going to put that in, list number of projects that have been signed off, project A, project B, and project C. Click. That is transferred then into that common. Notice it gives the date and time and my name, and it has put that information into there. In terms of grading myself, I can put in, let's close that, I will put in a value. Notice the pencil, as in the other areas of this system, refer to edit. And so I can say, well, I reckon I've done really well with that and I've satisfied that benchmark. Okay, so I've put that in. This line here refers to where you think, where the benchmark is, and this green panel is showing how far or how well you've done. In this, I might put some details about the types of projects that I've been involved in. Again, by clicking the arrow, it would go up into this screen. And again, I'm going to edit, and I'm going to say, I think I've done really well. I've done 3 different projects since my last assignment, my last evaluation. So I've really done well with that. You can see that number of projects is now reflected in the measurement on that goal. Checking iterations. I'm going to actually put some comments in there to explain, and I'm going to do a manual. I think I've been quite good at checking my work. It isn't actually going to work on my work against me. Okay, notice that the more of that checking where my work has had to be cross-checked, the more times that's happened, so the final value on that goal disappears. So I'm going to say I only had to have it checked once. Can you see then that these 3 goals have now been scored, and that the values for this have actually been brought into the skill and application experience. So I don't fill anything in here. These evaluations complete at this point. If I want to, I can add some extra comments into that box. That's all fine. Okay. Now, before I did this, you may have noticed that the Save button was greyed out. Now that I have made an alteration, the Save button is clear and I can click on that and save exactly where I am, where I've reached. And then I could literally log out at this point and come back and do something a different day.